Hello everyone, welcome to Explore for More. A pretty flower vase with beautiful flowers for our decor, and that too using empty acrylic bottles and few wooden pieces. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. For this, we need two wooden pieces which are 3 inches long, one wooden piece 8 inches long, and on which 3 holes have been done at an equal distance. First, we'll make holes at the center of the cap of the bottle by heating a knife over the flame of the candle. We'll prepare all the 3 caps in a similar manner. Now these caps have to be glued to the wooden piece with holes in such a manner that the hole of the cap and that of the stick they coincide with each other. I have used Fevicol SH as it is a strong adhesive. We'll stick all the 3 caps in the similar manner. Now glue the remaining 2 sticks on the sides as shown in the video and leave it to dry. A video on how to cut these wooden pieces is already uploaded. You can check the link in the description box. We'll now apply a coat of wood varnish on it to give it a gloss. We'll apply it on all the surfaces, outer, inner, including the edges, and again leave it to dry. I have this golden lace from which I have cut 3 pieces of 12 cm each. I'll glue them on the sides of the cap. Cover all the 3 caps with this lace. Some portion of the cap that was visible from the top, I have painted it with the golden color. I filled all the 3 bottles with water and will close the lids. From these holes, start inserting the flowers or the leaves, whether artificial or natural, to complete the look of the vase. Keep it on your kitchen window, bedside, or on the table. Looking beautiful, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon. You can also connect with us on Facebook and Instagram on our page Explore for More. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.